back. Today we're gonna do something fun and a little bit different. I have here a bunch of peaches that I got from Walmart. I love peaches. Peaches and cream was a treat that my grandma always made growing up, and I'm very excited to make it because the last time I did, I messed it up. So I have conferred with her and I know what I'm doing this time. But we're gonna use these peaches and do 3 different things with them. One, we're gonna make a peach lemonade, which I will link that recipe. We're gonna do peaches and cream, which is kind of just eyeballing, so I don't have an exact recipe. And then there's also like an air fryered peach that we're gonna do that has ice cream to go with it. So that one I will link down below as well. So we're gonna get started. So I am going to point out with this lemonade, the recipe I'm linking, she does explain how to use like fresh peaches to make the syrup. I'm opting out of that because I'm just trying to keep this a bit more simple. But basically we're gonna use juiced lemons for the base. And then I bought peach syrup pre-made just to keep it simple. You add water and then you pour it over ice and garnish with the peach. I think what I'm gonna do is actually slice some of these up and leave them in the lemonade while it chills, and then I'm probably gonna take a break, make my dinner, have a glass of this, so I'll show you how it looks all put together. This is good. It's a little tartar than I probably would want. Probably would have added some sugar to it, but it's good.
I'm too young. shotgun, sunshine on my skin, the smile is kicking in, vibes are in the air, jumping everywhere, endless nights, 'cause summer's on my mind. I'm drenched in sunshine and good times, changing the station with an open mind. I don't wanna sound selfish, but I'm not coming back. The highs of your touch like vertigo, it's a fight or flight rush, no way to take it slow. Got me feeling like I could breathe in space, someday never.
So this one is going to be an air fried peach. So I already lined it with tinfoil. They say to use parchment paper, but every time I've used parchment paper in my air fryer, it burns. So we're not going to do that. Butter, maple syrup, sea salt, ground cinnamon, and coconut sugar. And then usually you would use a whole peach and cut it. I'm just going to use this half that I already have started because it's just me and I just want to try it. I need to pit this and clean it out a little bit. And I'm going to melt this butter and then we'll get started on assembling the rest. Right, there you have it, the third way to use a peach. I'm really excited to eat this. I'll try just a quick bite with you and then I'm gonna go sit down and actually eat it. And this peach just falls apart with the spoon. I'm still dealing with a lot of tooth pain, so I'm a little worried about the heat and the cold, but we're gonna try it. Definitely give this one a try. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed coming along. exploring some ideas of what to do with some peaches for the summer. I think of peaches as a very August fruit for me. I hope you enjoy, try out some of the recipes, and as always, I hope everyone has a blessed day.